Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are gonna learn something new, something different. In this video guys, we are gonna learn something new, something different in Vue.js 3. Okay? Yes guys, you heard it right. Today, in this video, in this session, we are gonna learn something new, something different in Vue.js 3 along with HTML and CSS3 also. Okay? And guys, today in this video, we are gonna learn that how to create a accordion using Vue.js 3, HTML and CSS3 as well. Okay? Yes guys, you heard it right. Today in this video, in this session, we are gonna learn that how to create a beautiful and dynamic accordion using Vue.js 3. Okay, so guys, just to give you a demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example first and let me explain you the example okay as well, so that we will have a clear picture that today what we are going to learn in this video, in this session. Okay, so let me go to the example and let me explain you the example as well. So guys, this is the example I have built using HTML, CSS and Vue.js 3. Okay, so guys, here you can see the text also, dynamic and beautiful accordions in Vue.js 3. Okay, so guys, here we have 6 element in a single accordion. Okay, so guys, you can see here, this is the first element, this is the second element, and this is the third element, this is the fourth, this is the fifth, and this is the sixth element of the accordion. Okay, so guys, okay, so let me show you the functionality as well. So just click one by one and see the functionality as well. Okay, see. So guys, whenever you will click on the uh, any element, okay, so it will open the current element you have clicked on, and it will close the previous element which have been already opened. Okay, so just see the functionality guys. Okay, so you can see the animation also. See, and guys, this is mobile responsive as well. Okay, so let me show you the responsiveness also. Okay, of this accordion. So just go to the mobile view. See, as you can see here guys, this is fully responsive for any kind of device, for any kind of screen sizes. Okay, see, it is fully responsive and fully dynamic and fully functional as well. Okay, see. As you can see here, this is fully responsive accordion in any kind of device. Okay, see. Okay, and guys, let me tell you one more feature of this accordion. So guys, whenever you will click on the any item, you will be able to see the question here also as a heading. Okay, so currently that hard item is opened. So this is the question, what is emit method in Vue.js 3. So here you can see also the question, what is emit method in Vue.js 3. Okay, so let me just click on any of the accordion again. So see, can props be passed from child components to parent component. So this is currently open. Click on the sixth element. So see why everyone loves Vue.js so much. Here you can see also, this is the second element, sixth element. See guys, you can see here. Okay, guys, let me just guys tell you one thing. You will be hearing background noises, dogs are walking there in the background. So please guys, try to like avoid these kind of background noises. Okay, so I hope guys you will be able to hear the background noises of dogs barkings. Okay, so please guys just sorry, I'm extremely sorry for this. Okay, I don't know guys when they are going to work. I don't know when they are going to be silent. Okay, so just try to avoid the background noises. Okay, so just try to focus on the video. Okay, just try to focus on the functionality, focus on the feature. Okay, so guys, in this video we are going to learn that how to create this kind of beautiful and dynamic accordion, okay, using HTML, CSS and Vue.js 3. Okay, so guys, you can see here this is fully animating. Also you can see here the icons also, plus and minus. Okay, so as of now this is the currently open. Okay, so you can see here we have got one sign also, minus, and rest all are closed. Okay, so you can see here plus sign. Okay, so let me just click any of the accordion again. So see, it is minus now. Okay, which means it is open. Currently it is open. See, okay, see guys, the animation, see the functionality. Okay, see the beautiful of this accordion. Okay, so it is guys very beautiful and dynamic at the same time. So we are going to learn that how to create this kind of dynamic from scratch, okay, using HTML, CSS and Vue.js 3 in this video here only. Okay, so guys, just be here and watch the entire video, and please guys try to avoid the background voices also, background noises also. Okay, just try to focus on the functionality, focus on the feature of this video. Okay, our time is very important, our energy is very important. Okay, so see guys, I have built this accordions using HTML, CSS and Vue.js 3, and I already showed you that it is fully responsive and fully functional on any kind of device, on any kind of screen sizes as well. Okay, so we are going to learn that how to create this kind of beautiful and dynamic accordions from scratch using HTML, CSS and Vue.js 3. Okay, so see, it is fully dynamic for any kind of devices, for any kind of screen sizes. Okay, so guys, you are gonna you can put as much as content you want. Okay, so you can see here I have also given here content according to the need, according to the requirements. Okay, so see, this much of content is very I guess general. Okay, so okay, so guys, as I already showed you one feature also. So you can see here the fourth item is currently open. What is Vue.js 3? Can I learn Vue.js 3? Here also you can see the same question. Okay, the same heading. What is Vue.js 3? Can I learn Vue.js 3? Okay, so click on different one. See, the third one is open. So you can see here third question, what is mth method in Vue.js 3? Click on second. See, also you can see here question 2, how and when props are used to props are used in Vue.js 3. Click on the first one. So see, this is the currently open, and you can see here the heading also, can props be passed from child components to parent component? Click on sixth element. So see, why everyone loves Vue.js so much. Here you can see the same text also, the heading. Okay, so see, it is also dynamic and okay, fully functional. Okay, guys, as you all know that in Bihar it's loss of what can I say, cold waves are, so my voice is little down, so please guys try to bear with me. Okay, I hope guys you will be able to listen, you will be able to understand what I'm trying to say and what I'm trying to convey you. Okay, so just be here guys and just watch the video carefully and patiently as well. Okay, because in this video we are gonna learn something new from different. Okay, in Vue.js 3 from CSS to HTML to CSS, Vue.js 3. Okay, so guys, let me just tell you one thing. If you are beginners in Vue.js 3 and if you are here to learn Vue.js 3, okay, then guys, this video is definitely for you. You should definitely watch this video, because in this video we have got a lot of things, a lot of stuff to learn, okay, from HTML to CSS3 to Vue.js 3. Okay, so guys, just be here and watch the entire video. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn. Okay, but guys, before starting of the video, I would like to request you all guys, please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please guys press the bell icon also, so that whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist, you can be notified and you can watch them instantly, and you can learn, I mean, you can learn from them also, and professionally you will grow also. Okay, so uh, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn. Okay, that how to create this kind of dynamic and beautiful accordions using HTML CSS3 and Vue.js 3 as well. Okay, so guys, trust me guys, in this video, okay, you will be able to know, you will be able to create this kind of dynamic and beautiful accordions on your own using HTML CSS and Vue.js 3. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn. Okay, so let me just go to the code editor first. So guys, as you can see here, I'm using here Sublime Text. Okay, you are free to use IDE of your choice, of your preferences. Okay, so let me just first of all we have to create the new page. So I'm gonna create here a new page. Okay, so let just control N and just say the page name. So I'll say here accordion in view.html. Okay, so save the page. Okay, and create the HTML first. So HTML, give code with ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, by now you all know that my name is Prabhat Pandit and I am a software developer. Currently I am working as a ServiceNow developer at Happiest Minds Bangalore, and I have got more than 4 years of experience into software development. Okay, so guys, first of all guys, we need some CD and links. Okay, so guys, let me just copy the CD and links from the previous example only, just to save our little bit of time. Okay, so just go to the previous example and just copy the CD and links from here and paste inside our code below the title tag. Okay, so let me just explain you the CD and link also. So guys, as you can see here, this is the CSS file for Bootstrap. Okay, you can see here bootstrap.min.css, and it is inside the folder CSS. Okay, and guys, this is the JS file for Vue.js 3. Okay, you can see here vue.global.js, and it is inside the folder JS. Okay, so guys, we have the required CD and links now. We are good to go and good to write the code as well. Okay, so guys, first of all I'm gonna create here one container div. Okay, so I'm gonna create here one div. Okay, so create a div, give it a class as a container, and give margin top 5 and give margin bottom also 5, and just close this div. Okay, and inside this div I'm gonna create here one more div. So create a div, give it a class as a text center. Okay, and give margin top 2 just 2, and give margin bottom 2. Okay, and just close this div. Okay, and inside this div I'm gonna create here h1 element. Okay, so h1, just give the class also as a text center and give text dark. Okay, and just close this h1 first. Okay, so guys, let me just guys let you know one more time guys, as you all know that my voice is little down, my voice is little disturbed. Okay, so guys, please guys, just bear with me for this video. Okay, from the next video I'll try to fix my voice. Okay, so that you will be able to clear okay, you will be able to hear the voice very clear. Okay, so I hope guys you will be able to understand me. Okay, so just please guys, as you can see here, I'm making a lot of hard work, a lot of hard efforts to make videos, to make awesome videos, to make informative videos for you. Okay, so please guys, it's your duty, it's your responsibility to support me, to help me, and the only way you can support me and the only way you can help me is by subscribing my channel Code with ER. Okay guys, I need your support, I need your help. Okay, and the only way you can support me and the only way you can help me is by subscribing to my YouTube channel and liking all my videos, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to make awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development as well as full stack development also. Okay, so please guys subscribe to the channel Code with ER. Okay, so guys, here I'm gonna create here the H1 element. Let me just show the example. Okay, so as you can see here, the moment you will click on the any of the item, you will be able to see the question here. Okay, see, it is also changing dynamically. Okay, based on the questions, based on the item you have currently clicked on. Okay, so see, it is also changing. Okay, so here in our H1 element we will just paste the things dynamically. Okay, so as of now just let it be. So below this div I'm gonna create here another div. Okay, another div. So give the class as a just give the class as a accordion. Okay, so accordion, because here in this video we are learning that how to create this kind of beautiful and dynamic accordion using HTML CSS3 and Vue.js 3 as well. Okay, so guys, just be here guys. I will I will try to explain you every every step, every line what I will write here. Okay guys, because I have created these videos for the beginners only for the new learners only in the Vue.js 3. Okay, so guys, just be here and watch the entire video. I'm sure guys you will definitely understand, you will definitely learn something new from this video, from this session, that how to create this kind of dynamic accordions using HTML CSS and Vue.js 3. Okay guys, it's my word, I give you promise that after watching this video you will be able to create this kind of accordion on your own. Okay, so guys, just be here. It's my my request also, and it's my promise also, that you will definitely learn, you will definitely know after watching this video that how to create this kind of this kind of dynamic and beautiful accordion after having this session, after watching this full video. Okay, so just be here and watch the entire video, and if you have learned something from this video, then please guys do subscribe to the channel Code with ER. Okay, for me, for you, for your kind, what can I say, uh yeah as you all know that I need your support, I need your help. Okay, so support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel Code with ER. Okay, and by liking all my videos. Okay, so just go to the code. Okay, and here we will be creating accordions inside this div. Okay, so guys, let me just create so first of all we have to write the what can I say, Vue.js 3 code. So guys, I'm gonna create here above the closing body tag, I'm gonna write here, I'm gonna create here script element. So I'll say here script. Okay, and guys, here guys, I hope guys you know how to loop the array, how to loop the object of array okay, inside the Vue.js 3. Okay, so guys, here also we will be using v4 directive to loop the object of array. Okay, so just be here guys. If you don't know that how to loop array, how to loop object of array, so I will explain you here also. So just be here and be focused and watch the entire video very patiently and very carefully as well. Okay, so guys, first of all I'm gonna create here our Vue app. Okay, so I'll say here I'm gonna create here one const as a app and give equal to Vue.create app. Okay, so guys, Vue.create app is used to create the app, is used to create the application inside the Vue.js 3. Okay, and we have to say Vue.create app to do to create the app, to initiate the instances of the Vue.js 3. Okay, so guys, inside this parenthesis you are able to, you are free to define anything like array, function, object, lifecycle, hook, created methods, computer methods, template, components. Guys, you are free to create anything inside this Vue.create app. Okay, so guys, here also I'm gonna create here one data function. So I'll say here data colon function. Okay, so function, put parenthesis, put open and closing braces, and it is gonna return all the state variable, all the data properties. Okay, so I'll say here return also, put open and closing braces, and inside this I'm gonna create here one header variable. Okay, so I'll say here header. So header, so guys, you can see here guys, you can say, okay, so guys, inside the Vue.js 3 we can create any variable like this. Okay, we have to say the variable name colon, and we have to assign the value. Okay, so here guys, header is the variable, and I'm gonna assign it one value here, one text here to this header variable. Okay, which we will use into our HTML part, into our Vue part. Okay, so guys, here also I will give here some text. Okay, so guys, just let me just go to the example just to copy the text. Okay, so just go to the example first, and go down, and I'm gonna okay, so I'm gonna copy this text from here. Okay, so copy it from here and paste it here. So guys, in this way we have created one header variable, and we have defined it, we have given it some value also, some text also. Okay, so the moment you will use this header inside your HTML, inside your Vue part. Okay, so guys, let me just explain you guys, our HTML template, our HTML code is also known as the Vue part inside the Vue.js 3. Okay, so guys, always remember HTML is the Vue part inside the Vue.js 3. Okay, so okay, so I explained you that we have created this header variable. Okay, so let me just copy create the logo variable also. So you can see here, let me just go to the example. So you can see here Vue logo. Okay, so this is the image. Okay, so I'm gonna create here this dynamic image using the Vue.js 3. Okay, so just go to the code, and we have to give here image path name. So my images is inside the folder images. Okay, so this is the folder name. Okay, so let me go to the folder again, and let me show you the images also. So this is on the desktop only. So just go to the images folder, and you can see here, let me just show you Vue logo. Okay, so yeah, you can see here this is the Vue logo. Okay, so I will be using these images inside our code also. Okay, so just copy the image name from here. You can see here this is the inside the folder images. Okay, so that's why I have given here the folder name as a images forward slash, and we have to paste the image name also. Okay, so the moment you will use this logo into your Vue part, into your HTML part, you will be able to see this images also. Okay, so guys, in this way we have created here two logo also. So guys, let me just mount this instance of Vue into our HTML part, into our Vue part. So we will just close this here, and we will just use this app. Okay, so copy this app from here and paste it here. Sorry guys for my voice. Okay, I'm extremely sorry for my voice, like I don't know, like suddenly my voice will change. Okay, so just guys bear with me for this video. Okay, I'm extremely sorry for my voice. Okay, so I'll say here app.mount. Okay, app.mount, and open and closing parenthesis, and just put single quotes or double quotes. It's up to you only. So I'll say here hash. Okay, and give app, okay, as a ID. So you can see here guys, I'm not able to speak well also due to my voice. Okay, so just be here guys, just watch the video and try to get the video, try to understand the video. Okay, so for this video only guys, for this session only, from the next session I will try to fix this. Okay, either I will not make the video, or if I will make the video, my voice will be very clear, my voice will be very audible to you. Okay, so just copy this app. Okay, from the here, as you can see here, this is the ID. Okay, as I have given here a hash. Okay, so this is the ID, so we have to use this ID into our parent component, into our Vue part. Okay, so guys, this div, okay guys, this div is also known as the parent component. Okay, okay, because we will be using here this ID. Okay, this ID as a app. Okay, so this will become the this entire div will become the, okay, this entire div will become the parent component as well. Okay, so we have to say here id as a app. Okay, so guys, now as you all know, we have mounted, the moment we have given here id as a app, we have mounted this entire div, okay, this entire div with our this vue.js instance, okay, with our vue.js instance. So guys, now we can use this header logo, we can use this variable header, and we can use this variable logo into our html part, into our view part. Okay, so guys, you all know that in order to use the variable into our html part, into our view part, we have to say here double curly braces. Okay, and we have to paste the variable name here also. Okay, so I have pasted here the variable name inside the double curly braces. Okay, so just open the file in the browser. So open in browser. Okay, so see, boom guys, you will be able to see text also, dynamic and beautiful accordions in vue.js 3. Okay, because we have used here the header variable from this vue.js instance. Okay, okay, so guys, now we are also gonna use here the logo also. Okay, so below this div, okay, I'm gonna create here another div. So give the class as a image. I'll give here image container, and just give close this div, and inside this div I'm gonna create here one img element. So I'll say here img, and I'm gonna use this vbind attribute. So guys, as you all know, this colon is the shortened for vbind. Okay, and guys, vbind is a directive inside the vue.js 3, okay, which is used to bind the properties, which is used to bind the value dynamically to our html tag, to our html element. Okay, so I will say here colon src. Okay, I'll give the equal to single quotes or the double quotes, it's up to you only. So I will just copy this logo variable name from here and just paste it here. Okay, so just give the class also as a I'll give here view logo. Okay, view logo as a class. Okay, so just guys, in this way we have used this logo variable from this vue.js instance, and you can see here I'm binding this logo variable dynamically by using the vbind attribute, and colon is the shorthand for vbind attribute. Okay, so just save your code and go to the browser and just refresh the page. So see, boom guys, see, you're able to see here the images also. Okay, so guys, first of all, let me just style this image. Okay, so that we will be able to see this kind of image here. Okay, this kind of image. Okay, so I'm gonna style it now. So just copy this class from here, view logo, and we have to target this image container also, and we have to target this view logo class also into our style sheet, into our okay css part. Okay, so guys, here I'm gonna create here the internal style sheet. Okay, so I'll say here style. Okay, so guys, in this way we have created our internal style sheet. Okay, so I'll say here, I'll just say here dot, I'm gonna use here image container, image container. Okay, image container class, image container class. So which is this class. Okay, which is this class. Okay, you can see here this is the class image container, and I will use also this class view logo. Okay, so image, okay, and just put comma, paste it here view logo also. So I'm just gonna style it now. So I'll give here this image container width and height. So I'll say here width, I'll give here width of 300 px, give the height also of 300 px, and give the line height also of 300 px, and give display, okay, as a flex, give justify content as a center, and give the align items also as a center, and give the align content also as a center. Okay, and you can give here overflow also. So just give the overflow hidden. Okay, so that our content, okay, I mean this image will be inside this div only. It will be not, what can I say, overflowed to this container, to this div, which is a container of height 300 px, of width of 300 px, okay, and height of 300 px, okay. So I have given here overflow hidden also. So give the background color also. So I'm gonna give here background color as a white only, and give the box shadow also. So give box shadow also. I'll give here, just give the box sizing, okay, and give the box shadow also. So give box shadow, so what, 2 px, 2 px, and give 20 px, and give the RGBA value, and just change the value of opacity, okay. So 0.2, okay, and just give the border also. So just give here border, just say here thin, solid, and just use the black only, okay. So guys, this video is all about Vue.js 3, but as I told you that from this video we have got to learn a lot of things, okay, from CSS to HTML to Vue.js 3, okay. And as I already told you that this video is meant for the beginners. This video is meant for the new Vue.js developer. So I'll try to explain you, I'll try to teach you like the basic part also to the more advanced part also, okay, from this video, from this session, okay. So guys, just be here and watch the entire video, and please guys subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER also, okay. And please press the bell icon also, and please guys like all the videos also, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to make awesome videos like this for you guys, okay. So I'll say here border radius also. So I'll say here border radius of 100%, okay. So guys, just give here the width image also. So this is the image class view logo of this img. So I'll say here width of 100 px, okay, and give the height also as a auto, and give object fit as a cover, and give display as a block, and give yeah give yeah, that's it. So just save your code and go to the browser and just refresh this page, okay. So see, boom guys, I think guys we have to decrease the size, okay. So just give here 200 and 200, okay, and 200, and just save your code and go to the browser and just refresh the page, okay. So that's cool now, okay, that's cool. So yeah, we have to bring this here to the center, okay, to the center of the screen. You can see here, this is the center of the screen, okay. So we have to bring it also to the center of the screen. So for this we will say here, we will give here margin, okay. So give margin 0 from top to bottom, and give auto from left to right, okay. So in this way guys, by putting margin 0 auto from top, left, right and bottom, okay, we will be able to set anything into the center of the screen. So just save your code and go to the browser and refresh the page. So see, boom guys, our image is inside the center of the screen, okay. See, although it is not vertically and horizontally into the center of the screen, but it is into the center of the screen, okay. So yeah, so our two part is ready, this heading part is ready, and this image part is ready. So guys, now we have to create the object of array, okay. So guys, we have to create 6 object inside our array, okay. So this is the first object, this is the first element, this is the second element of the array, this is the third element of the array, this is the fourth element of the array, this is the fifth element of the array, and this is the sixth element of the array, okay. So guys, we have to create here also object of array, okay. So for this guys, just go down, and here below this logo I'm gonna create here accordion item, okay. So I'll say here accordion item. So accordion, give capital I, okay, accordion items, okay. So put colon here and just open and closing square brackets, okay, open and closing square brackets. So guys, let me just create here a few like objects, okay, or the few elements of this array of object. Okay, so just create here a few elements. So I'll say here, so just give open and closing braces. Okay, so just give the title, okay, as a as of now just give the title as a anything. So I'll say here title, okay, title 1, okay, and just put here comma, okay, and I'll give here content, just give here anything content. So I'll say here content uh, content 1. Okay, so guys, I'm just trying to give you the example that how to look through the array and how to look through the array object of array. Okay, so okay, so just close this and just give here is open, is open, as of now just give here false. Okay, so just close this and put here comma also, and just go and copy it from here to here and just paste it a few more times. Okay, so few more times, I have copied it a couple of times. Okay, so just say here 2 and just copy this 2 from here and just say here also 2. Okay, and say here 3. Okay, and just copy this 3 from here and paste it here also, and say here 4. Okay, 4, so copy it from here and paste it here also. Yeah, so just put here comma and put here semicolon and just put here comma. Okay, so guys, in this way guys, we have created here object of, array of object. So this is the first element of this array accordions. Okay, so this is the second element of this array accordions item. This is the third element of the accordion item array. This is the fourth element. So just remove this. Okay, so this is the fourth element of the array, this accordion item. Okay, so guys, please guys, try to avoid the background noises. Okay, as you can as you will be able to hear the dog barking in the background. Okay, so please guys, try to avoid it. Okay, just try to focus on the video, just try to focus on the functionality. Okay, so okay, so just save your code, and as you can see here, we have to loop through this accordion items. Okay, so guys, I will just show you how to loop through this. Okay, so just say here I'm gonna create here div also. So just create a div and give the class also as a just give here loop, okay, as a class. Okay, so just close this div and inside this div, okay, on this div only, so or just close this. Okay, on this div only I'm gonna create here. Okay, I'm gonna loop here. Okay, so I'll say here I will use here v4. Okay, so in this way we are gonna loop. Okay, we are gonna loop through this accordion items array. Okay, which is an object of array. You can see, for this is the first object, this is the second object, this is the third object, and this is the fourth object. Okay, so we are gonna loop through this accordion items object of array of objects. Okay, so just copy this and we will just say here item. Okay, item in this accordion items. Okay, so guys, we can give here the key attribute also. So for this we will say here index. Okay, we can say here index, so we can pass here the index also inside this v4 loop. So we will just say here parenthesis, put comma, and just pass the index as a second parameter of this v4 directive. Okay, so guys, this v4 is known as the v4 directive inside the Vue.js3, which is used to loop through item, which is used to loop through the array of object. Okay, so guys, this accordion item is known as the array of object. Okay, so let me just copy the comment from here. So I will just tell you, I'll just explain you also. So just paste here, okay, this comment. So you can see here array of object, each object represents an item. Okay, see, this is the first item, this is the second item, this is the third item, and this is the fourth item. Okay, inside this accordion item array of objects. Okay, you can see here each object represents an item in the accordion and has properties such as title, content, and is open. Okay, so guys, title, content, is open is the properties of this accordion items array of object. Okay, so guys, we will look through this object, this object, this object, and this object. Okay, by using the v4 directive. Okay, as you can see here, I'm looping through, I'm using the v4 directive to loop through this accordion items. Okay, so we will just say here, so if we have to show something, if we want to show the content from this accordion item object. Okay, so now we have to use this item. Okay, as you all know, this v4, okay, this v4 loop will loop to the this accordion item. Okay, through this array of object. Okay, and it will try to store, okay, this first element, this second element in the second time, this third element in this third loop, this fourth element in the fourth loop. Okay, inside this items. Okay, inside this items variable, you can say here, this item is a variable, this item is a container. This v4 loop will loop through this accordion items, which is an array of object, and it will try to store each and every element, each and every item from this accordion items array or array of objects inside this item. Okay, so guys, whatever we want to show as a output to the user, to the browser, we have to now use this item. Okay, because now each and everything from this accordion items array of object is inside this item variable, is inside this item container. Okay, so we will use this item just to show something from this accordion items array of object. Okay, so for this we have to see here double curly braces, and guys, now I'm gonna just show the title. Okay, so I will just show the title. Okay, so title 1, title 2, title 3, and title 4, I want to show it as the output to the user. So what I will do, I will just use this item. Okay, here item, paste it here, and I will say here dot. Okay, because it is an object, you can see here array of object. Okay, you can see here this is the array of object, so we will just say here dot title. Okay, so we will just say here item dot title. Okay, so paste it here, save your code, that's it. So save your code and go to the browser and just refresh the page. So see, boom guys, you can see here title 1, title 2, title 3, and title 4. Okay, so guys, likewise, similarly guys, we can just show the content also, we can just show the is open also. So if you want to show it, we can show it. So just give here br, just copy this, although we don't require this, we just only need the content only, but for your understanding, for your knowledge, I'm trying to loop through each and every element, each and every properties like title, content, is open, just for you, just for your understanding. Okay, I will just show each and everything from here. Okay, from this array of object, I will show each and everything for you, for your understanding. Okay, so just paste it here and again paste it here and just remove this. So I'll say here title, now content. Okay, so now content, we will be able to see content 1, content 2, content 3, and content 4 also. Okay, so just paste it here content. So title dot content, I mean item dot title, item dot content, and we will just say here item dot is open. So copy this is open from here, variable is open, is open, is open. As of now, every item or the object is open is false. Okay, you can see is open is also false here, is open is also false here, is open is also false here, and is open is also false here. Okay, so copy this is open from here and just say item dot is open. Okay, so we will be able to see here false, 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 false 4 times. Okay, so just save your code and go to the browser and refresh the page. Yeah, see, boom guys, you will be able to see here title 1, content 1, false. You can see here also in the object of array title 1, content 1 is open, false. Title 2, content 2 is open, false. See, title 3 and content 3 is open, false. title 4, content 4 is open, false. You can see here the, okay, see, okay, see guys, okay. So guys, now you all know that how to loop through the array and how to loop through the object of array, okay. So yeah, so guys, we will just use this feature, okay, to just to show the content, okay. We just want to show the title and the content is open is the properties we will use, we will use to toggle the accordion item, okay, like this in the example, okay. We will use this is open, guys. We will use, okay, we will use this open property, okay, this open property just to toggle the content, okay, just to toggle the accordion item, okay. So we will use this is open property just for the functionality, just for the feature, okay. So we only need two things to show to the user, the title and the content from this array of object, okay. So just the title and the content, okay. So you can see here this is the title, okay. You can see here the question is the title and this is the content. The question is the, this question is the title and this is the content, okay. So this question is the title and this is the content, okay. So this question is the title and this is the content, okay. So this question is the title and this is the content, okay. So this question is the title and this is the content, okay. So guys, just as I explained you, okay. So you can see here this is the output also, okay. So guys, now I'm gonna just change the content and the title, okay. Guys, now I'm just gonna change the content and the title of every element, okay, of every element inside this accordion items, okay. Okay, so guys, I'm sorry guys for my voice, okay. So guys, now I'm gonna just change the title and gonna just change the content, okay. So title will be changed, content will be changed, title will be changed, content will be changed, title will be changed and the content will be changed, okay. So guys, just go to the example just to copy the title and the content, okay. Guys, I already showed you how to loop through. So this is the functionality, this is the feature, okay. So guys, for the time, okay, just to save our little bit of time, I'm gonna copy the title and the content from the previous example only, okay, as I already showed you how to loop through, okay. So just go to the example and just copy, okay. So just copy this entire thing from here and just paste here as a first element of this array, okay, of this object, okay. So, or guys, it's best we can just change the entire array, okay. So we can just change the entire array. So just go here and just copy, okay, as I already showed you guys, okay. I will also explain you one more time if you want. So just copy this array, entire array or entire array of object from here and just replace into our code, okay. So guys, I am doing this, okay, just for the sake of time, okay, just to save a little bit of time, okay. That's it, nothing else, okay. So guys, I have just replaced it, okay. So guys, here you can see also this is the title. You can see here this is the question, title is the question of this accordion item array, okay. You can see here this is an array of object, okay. So the title is the question and the content is open is true. So title is the question, okay, and the content is this and is open is as of now it is also false. So the title is the question and the content is this content, okay, this content, and is open is as of now false, okay. So this is the title, so question is the title and content is this content and is open is also false. So title is this question and this is the content, okay, and is open is also false, okay. So title is this title, okay, this title, and content is this content and is open is also false as of now, okay. So guys, just save your code and go to the browser and just refresh our page, okay. So see, boom guys, you can see here this is the title, okay, and this is the our content, and as of now true, okay. So let me just check it is true. Okay, yeah, initially our first one will be true. Okay, as you can see here in the example also, initially, okay, initially our first one is open by default. Okay, so this will be true by default. Our first element of the accordion items object of array will be true. Okay, so that's why you are able to see here the true. Okay, so you can see here this is the true. Okay, this is the question, this is the title, this is the title, this is the content, and this is the is often false. This is the title. Okay, this is the content. Okay, this is the content, and this is the is open as of now false. This is the title, this is the content, and this is the as of now as of, is open is false. This is the title, this is the content, and is open is false. Okay, this is the title, this is the content, and this is the is open as of now false. Okay, but guys, initially our application will not look like this. Okay, our application will look like this. Okay, so we have to put here the functionality also, and we have to style it also. Okay, so guys, initially we will just show the first element to the user. Okay, so initially this first object will be like opened by default. It will be true. Okay, rest all will be hidden. Okay, you can see here whenever the user is going to click on the title, then only our content will be shown. Okay, then only we will be able to show the content to the user. Okay, you can see this is the behavior of accordion. Okay, so guys, this is the ideal behavior of any accordion. Okay, so we will just implement this feature also into our code also. Okay, so guys, for this, okay, so just go to the code, and yeah, we have to remove this. We don't want to show the is open. Okay, so we will be able to show the just the title and just the content. Okay, from this array of objects. Okay, accordion items. Okay, so for this, guys, okay, guys, I'm extremely sorry for my voice, guys. Okay, so just be here, guys, and watch the entire video, and please, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Code with ER. Okay, this channel, guys. Okay, Code with ER. Okay, please, guys, do subscribe it. Okay, I need your support, I need your help. Okay, so yeah, just go to the code, and so guys, now we have to style it our application. Okay, so we will exactly make this application look like this. Okay, in the functionality also, in the UI also. Okay, I will make our application look like this. Okay, functionality wise also and look wise also. Okay, so just go to the code, and yeah, so okay, so guys, just okay, so just cut this out. Okay, we don't require this. So accordion. Okay, so inside this div I will be creating here the another div. Okay, so inside this div I'm gonna create here another div. So I'll say here create a div. Okay, create a div and give it a class as a accordion header. Okay, I'm gonna give here the class as a accordion header. Okay, because we are gonna show the header. Okay, so use this accordion header title class, and just close this div. Okay, and inside this div I'm gonna use here s3 element also. So I'm gonna create here s3. So give the class also as a I'll give here the title. Okay, title, and just close this s3. Okay, and inside this open this, and we are gonna say here double curly braces. Okay, and I will just use this item. So just copy it from here and paste it here, and we have to say here dot. Okay, so guys, I already showed you. Okay, so guys, I already showed you that how. Just let me just paste here. Okay, so okay, so just so I have to, guys, to revert the code also, so I can show you the best part. Okay, so just revert the code. Okay, so just revert the code. Okay, so just revert it. So guys, you can see here we have to use here the dot notation. Okay, guys, we will say here item dot title. Okay, then we will be able to use this title. Okay, this title. Okay, this title. Okay, this title, and this title, and this title also. Okay, and we will say here this item dot content. Okay, so guys, we have to use here the dot notation. Okay, we have to use here the dot notation. So I'll say here for the content, I'll say here item dot content. Okay, so we will just use this content. Okay, just this content, we will show this content, we will show this content. By this content we will show this content, we will show this content, and we will show this content also. Okay, so we have to use here the dot notation. We have to say this item dot title and this item dot content, just to show the title, just to show the content. Okay, so I can say, I can just do control Y. Yeah, it is working. Yeah, yeah, it is working. So guys, in the as three element, okay, I'm gonna say here the double curly braces, and I'll just use this item. Okay, and paste it here. I'll say here dot, and I'm gonna use this title. Okay, this title. So copy it from here and paste it here. Okay, so just save it and go to the browser and just refresh the page. So see, boom guys, we will be able to see the title, all the questions. Okay, you can see in the object of array, this is the title and this is the first question. Okay, this is the title and this is the second question. Okay, this is the title and this is the fourth question. Okay, what is Vue.js 3? What is Vue.js 3? Can I learn Vue.js 3? So see, as a fourth. Okay, this is the fourth element. So see here the fourth element also. What is Vue.js 3? Can I learn Vue.js 3? Okay, go to the fifth element. Okay, so this is the title, this is the fifth element. Okay, so what is AngularJS? Can I learn AngularJS? Go to the code, browser. You can see the fifth element also. What is AngularJS? Can I learn AngularJS? See, go to the sixth element. So this is the title and this is the sixth element. So why everyone loves Vue.js so much? So go to the browser. You can see here also the sixth element, why everyone loves the Vue.js so much. Okay, so guys, as you know, in this way we have looked through the this array of object using the item dot title, and we will be able to show all the titles. Okay, all the titles from this array of object. Okay guys, it is as simple as that. Okay, so yeah, so now below this div, okay, below this div, so I will be creating here another div. So just create here another div. So give the class also as a accordion content. Okay, so I'll say here class as a accordion content, accordion content. Okay, yeah, it is not showing, so that's fine also, accordion content. So just close this div and sorry guys for my voice. Okay, I'm extremely sorry for this guys. So just guys, just be here and watch the entire video and try to learn something from this video, from this session. Okay, try to utilize your time, try to utilize your energy. Okay, so guys, I will make like every possible ways to explain you, to make you understand that what I am doing here and why it is so much of important to learn new stuff, new things in Vue.js 3. Okay, so guys, just be here and just watch the entire video, and please guys, do subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER. Okay, so we will just say here, and again I'm gonna use here another div here inside this div. So I'm gonna create here another div and give the class also as a padding 4. Okay, so I'll say here p4, which means padding 4, and I'll say here py, which means padding from the top and bottom, padding 4. Okay, so for this we give py. Okay, so just close this div. So guys, here I'm using all the classes, okay, from the bootstrap. Okay, so guys, I'm using all the classes from the bootstrap. Okay, so which is already defined inside the bootstrap.min.css. As you can see here, I have already included the CSS file also for the bootstrap.min.css. Okay. uh, Sorry guys for my voice. So I hope guys you can understand me. I'm also human beings. Okay. So I also got sick. I also fall sick, and I also got like cold also. So for the due to cold only, my voice is like this. Okay. So just excuse me for this. Okay guys. So here guys, I will be using here the para element inside this div. Okay. So I'll say here p. So just close this p and just give the class also. So give the class also as a accordion para, which is because this is the accordion para. Okay. So I'll say here accordion hyphen para. Okay. So guys, now inside this p we have to show the content. Okay. So we will just say here double curly braces, and I will just use this item from here, from this v4 element. Okay. So paste it here. I will say here dot and just copy this content, because we have to show the content also. So this content, okay, this content, this content, this content, and the this last content. Okay. So just copy it from here, any content from here, and just say here item. Okay. This item dot content. So paste it here, save your code, and go to the browser and just refresh the page. So see, boom guys, see, this is the title, and this is the content. This is the title, and this is the content. This is the title, and this is the content. This is the title, and this is the content. This is the title, and this is the content. This is the title, and this is the content. The last one, we have 6 element. Okay guys, we have 6 element in our array of objects. Okay, in our array of objects, you can see this is the first, this is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth, this is the fifth, and this is the sixth element. Okay. Okay. So that's why guys, we are able to see 6 element inside our on our browser. So initially we will just show the first one. We will just show the first one, and rest all will be hidden. Okay guys, initially we will just show the first one. Okay, and rest all will be hidden by default. Okay, like this you can see here. Just refresh the page. See, initially the first one is open, and by default the rest one, the other rest, all the other rest is hidden. See, when you will click on the hidden, when you will click on the title, then only you will be able to show the then only you will be able to see the content. Okay. So see, when I am clicking on the header, then only I will be able to see the content. Okay. So see, this is the I clicked on the header, then only I am able to see the content. Okay. So click on the heading also. So see, you will be able to see the header, the content. Okay. So yeah, so just go to the code and just okay. So we have to style it now. Our code also we have to style it now. So just go to the code, and here also I'm gonna guys use here in the title element, I'm gonna use here one div again. Okay. So below this s3, I'm gonna create here the another div. So give the class also as a icons container. Okay. So guys, here let me just show you what I'm doing here. So guys, now I'm gonna create this icon. Okay, this plus minus. Okay, this plus, and you can see this is the minus, this is the plus, you can see this is the minus. So I'm gonna create it now. Okay. So just go to the code and just close this div. Okay, and say here icons container. Okay, as a class. So just open this div, and I'm gonna use here to span element. So span. Okay, and close this first. So I'll say here span, and just copy this and paste it below this, Okay, so guys, here also I will be using here v if and v else. Okay, just to toggle the plus minus based on the condition. Okay, so I will be guys using here also v if and v else. Okay, so I'll say here v if equal to, and I will just say here uh, I will just say here this. Okay, this item dot is open. Okay, is open. Okay, as of now it is all the is open. This is the true, the first one is true by default, rest all are false. Okay, is open, you can see here false, is open, you can see here also false, is open, is also false, is open, here also is false, is open, is also false here. Okay, so I will be using here this is open just to toggle the icon based on the condition. You can see I'm using here v if. Okay, so I'll say here item. Okay, item dot is open. So if it is open, if it is true, so we will just show here the minus sign. Okay, if it is not open, then we will just say here v else. Okay, v else, we will just say here the plus. Okay, that's it. So guys, as you can see here item dot is open. Okay, if it is true, guys, let me just go to the example. Okay, so let me just go to the example. So guys, as you can see here you can see by default the item is open is true. Okay, so let me just show you. By default is open is true. Okay, you can see is open is true, so that's why we are able to see the content. Okay, that's why we are able to see the content. Okay, so let's just make it false also. Okay, so just make it false also, and just okay, so this is not the example, so this is the example. Okay, so just you can see here, you can see is open by default is true. Okay, so just make it false also and just save your code and just go to the example. So guys, as of now you can see here this accordion is open. Okay, by default it is open, so that's why we are able to see the minus sign. Okay, you can see here it is the minus sign because it is open by default. Okay, the moment guys I will refresh the page, you will see here the plus sign also. Okay, you can see here this is the plus sign, 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 and this is the plus sign also. So just refresh the page, so see, boom guys, here also you can see the plus sign. Okay, so guys, we will just use this is open, okay, as a condition. Okay, okay, so guys sorry guys. Okay, so guys for my voice. Okay, so guys I will just use here this open just to toggle the, okay, just to toggle this plus minus icon. Okay, just to toggle this plus minus icon. Okay, you can see I am toggling the plus and minus. Plus, so it is minus, the content is open, so it is minus, so just close this, so it is plus, so we have to open it, so it is minus, so close this, so it is plus. Okay, so guys, here also I will be using the same logic. Okay, so we will just say here go to the, yeah, so see if if item not is open, so we will say here minus, otherwise we will say here plus. So just go to the example, I mean guys, in our code. So guys, we will be able to see the minus sign for the first accordion. Okay, for the first accordion, because is open is true, and guys, we will be able to see the plus sign for the rest of the item. Okay, we will be able to see the plus sign for the rest of the items, because you can see here is open is false. Okay, is open is false, is open is false. Okay, is open is false, is open is false here also. So by using this logic, we will say here v if item not is open, so we will show the minus sign, else we will just show the plus sign. So guys, v if and v else is similar to if else inside the JavaScript. Okay, it will work in the similar way. Okay, in the similar manner, in the similar fashion. Okay, so just save your code and go to the browser and just refresh the page. So see, you can see guys, I told you we will be able to see the minus for the first one. So you can see here this is the minus, and for the rest others we will be able to see the plus sign. So see, this is the plus, this is the plus, this is the plus, this is the plus. Okay, this is the plus and this is the plus, because here, because here we can see here is open is false, is open is false. Okay, is open is false, is open is false, is open is false, is open is false. I mean true here, the first one is true, so that's why we are able to see here the first element as a minus. Okay, okay, so now we have to style it, guys. Here we have to write our own CSS also. Okay, guys, we have to write our own CSS also, so I'm going to write here our own CSS also. Okay, so just go to the code and now we have to write our own CSS. Okay, so guys, just be here, guys, and watch the entire video very carefully and very patiently as well. Okay, because guys, now I'm going to write our own CSS also. Okay, so yeah, so guys, now just copy this class accordion from here. Okay, so copy it from here and go to the style sheet and put here point, and we will just style it now. So I'll say here width. Okay, I'll say here width, just give here 100%. Okay, so give here 100% and just give here the display as a flex, and give justify content as a center, and give the flex direction also as a column. Okay, and give position as a relative, and give the we can say here we can give the transition also. So we will give the transition here. I'll say here max height. Okay, so I'll say here max height. So I'm gonna put here animation on this max height properties of this CSS. Okay, so I'll say here transition max height. So I'll put here time also. So I'll say here 0.5 seconds, and I'll say here is, okay, is in. Okay, yeah, so okay, so just copy this new class also. So I'll just copy the new class. So I'll just say here so we have to put here classes also. Okay, so I'm gonna put here some more class into our HTML part. Okay, so we have to put here so just give this class. Okay, so I'll just give this class as a accordion item. Okay, so just give this class as a accordion item. So I'll say here accordion, okay, hyphen item. Okay, so accordion item hyphen item. So just copy this class name from here and just go to the style sheet and just paste it here, put point, paste it here, and yeah, so we have to style it now accordion item. Okay, so give here the border. Okay, I'm gonna put here border also. So I'll say here 1px solid, and I'll just give here hash cc. Okay, ccc, and give here margin. I'll say here margin bottom of you can give, I'm gonna give here 8px, you can give of your choices. Okay, so I'm gonna give here overflow also hidden. Okay, I'm gonna give here border radius also. So I'll say here border radius of 10px, and I'll give here the transition also for the animation. Okay, so I'll say here max height, and 0 point, I'll say here 0.8 seconds. Okay, and just 8 seconds, and I'm gonna give here the max height 0.8 second, and I'll say here is uh, out. Okay, is out. Okay, so yeah, and just copy this accordion header class. Okay, just copy this accordion header class. So we have to style it now. So just go to the style sheet and put point here and just paste it here, and we will just say here that background color of hash. Okay, I'll say here f1 okay, f1 and f1. Okay, so I'll say here padding also of 10 px and give the cursor, okay, as a pointer, and give width of 100%. Okay, and give the position also as a relative. Okay, so that's it. So save your code and just go to the browser and just see the output first, how it looks like in the browser. So see guys, now it is looking bit much better. Okay, so see, now it is looking much better. So we have to make, okay, this is the our code, so we have to make it like exactly this. Okay, so initially the first one will be open and the rest one will be closed. Okay, so we have to click on the heading, then only we will be able to see the content. Okay, so we have to click on the heading, then only we will be able to see the content. Okay, see, I am clicking on the heading, then only I will be able to see the content. Okay, so see, this is the heading and I am clicking on it. See, okay, so yeah, it is looking like this. So yeah, we will just make it also good and awesome, look wise also, and functionality wise also. Okay, so yeah, so just copy this title class from here. So copy it from here and just go to the style sheet and paste it here, put point and just paste it, and we will just say here the title. I'll say here font size, I'll give here font size of 21 px. Okay, and just give the display as a inline block, and just give the font family also. So I'm gonna give here sans serif, and just give the font weight also. So I'll say here font weight of lighter. Okay, so yeah, and just give here the margin also as a 0. Okay, 0 px. So just save your code and go to the browser and just refresh the page. Yeah, so now it is looking cool. So we have to style this icon. Okay, plus sign and the minus sign, we have to bring it to the right side of the accordion. Okay, you can see here it is on the right side, so we have to bring it here. So just go to the code and go to the, yeah, so now we will just say here so we'll just say here, okay, so copy this icons container class from here, and just go here, put point and paste it here, and just style it now. So I'll say here position as a relative, and give the top also, not transition, I'll say here top, okay, as a 0 px, and give float right. Okay, and give the right, okay, right as a 20 px. Okay, so just save your code and go to the browser and just refresh the page. Okay, so now it is here, you can see it is on the right side of the accordion header. See, it is on the right side now. See guys, now our like our accordion started looking like a little bit much better, little bit much like awesome as well. Okay, so we have to style it a lot also. So just go to the code and just copy, so just copy this and just paste it below it and just close this. So guys, now I'm gonna target the span. Okay, so I'm gonna target the span element inside this. You can see here this span and this span is inside this icons container div. Okay, so I'll say here uh, icons container, and we have to say here span and open and closing braces. And now I'm gonna style it now. So I'll say here font size of 30 px, and just give the position as a absolute only. So give position absolute and give top, I'll say here minus 12 px, and just say here left, I'll give here minus 11 px. Okay, and give float. Okay, float, I'll say here right. Okay, so save your code and go to the browser and just refresh the page. Okay, so see our icon looks like a little bigger. Okay, so now this is looking cool. Okay, so yeah, I hope our accordion started looking much beautiful and much dynamic as well as awesome also. Okay, so yeah, let's go to the code, and so just copy this class accordion para from here and just paste it here. So we will just style it now a little bit also, so that it will look good also. So I'll say here position as a relative and give font size also. So I'll say here 17 px, and I'll just give here the text transformation also. So I'll say here capitalize. Okay, so I'll say here capitalize, and you can give here font family also. So I'll say here sans serif, and I can give the font weight also. So I'll say here font weight of lighter, and I'll say here color also. So I'll use here hash and 6 times 0, and I'll say here E5. Okay, so that's it. So now just save your code and go to the browser and refresh the page. Yeah, so see, now this looks good. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so just go to the code again, and yeah, so guys, now just pay attention guys, because this is the main part. Okay, so we have to write the logic now. Okay guys, we have to write the logic now, just to implement this feature, just to apply this behavior, this logic. We have to write the Vue.js code now. Okay, so guys, just be here. Okay, and watch the video carefully. Okay, so yeah, so just go to the code. Okay, so guys, now just go to the code, and now guys, on this v4 element div. Okay, so this is the parent div for this v4 element. See, it is opening here and it is closing here. Okay, it is opening here and closing here. So guys, all the logic is all the logic lies here only. Okay guys, always remember all the logic lies here only. So guys, just be here. Okay, and watch the video carefully. So now we are gonna implement the logic. Okay, so I'll say here I'm gonna put here one dynamic class. Okay, so guys, I'll say here, as you all know, I'll use here for the dynamic class binding, we will say here colon class. Okay, as you all know, colon is the shorthand for vbind, and we are binding this class dynamically using the vbind directive inside the Vue.js3. Okay, so I have explained you guys many times this feature, this functionality in my previous videos also. If you don't know guys, then please guys just go and watch my previous videos, that how to apply the dynamic class in Vue.js 3. Okay, so guys, here also I will be applying this dynamic class by using the vbind properties, and colon is the shorthand for vbind directive. Okay, inside the Vue.js. Okay, so I'll say here colon equal to class, and I'll just use here double quotes, and I'll use here the opening and closing braces, just to apply the dynamic class. Okay, so I will apply this class open. Okay, this class open when, okay, when this item, okay, this item, okay, this item dot is open. Okay, like this feature dot is open, so it will be true. So suppose this becomes true, this will apply open class. If it will return false, then it will not apply the open class. If it is like if it will return true, then it will apply the open class to this div. Okay, to this div. If it returns false, okay, if it returns false, then it will not apply the open class to this div. Okay, so guys, now we have to define this open class also. Okay, so just copy it from here. So now we have to define this open class also, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna just define this open class also. So yeah, just go to the style sheet and say here, I'll say here accordion item, accordion item, put point, because we have to apply the class on this also only. You can see here we have to apply the class on this class only, accordion item. You can see here I'm applying the, so this is the static class. Okay guys, this is the existing class, this is the static class, and we have to apply the new class dynamically, this open class, based on this condition. Okay, based on this condition. If it is false, it will not apply the open class. If it is true, then it will apply the open class to this accordion item only. Okay, so this is the static class, this is the I can say this is the existing class, and we have to apply this open class dynamically. We have to apply this open class dynamically based on this condition, item dot is open. If it is true, it will apply the open class. If it is false, it will not apply the open class on this item class, which is a static class, which is a existing class. Okay, so I'll just define this open class also inside our style sheet. So we have to say here, put dot, and just say here this accordion content. Okay, this accordion content, where is the accordion content? Yeah, this accordion content. So copy it from here. So copy it from here and just paste it here. Okay, and we have to style it. We have to put here max height. Okay, so I'll say here max height of, I'll give here max height of 200 px. Okay, and later on guys, it is up to you. You are free to modify this max height according to your need, according to your content size, according to your content height. Okay, so guys, always remember guys, this max width will vary. Okay guys, always remember this max width will vary. This max width will change according to the content, according to the height of the accordion item. Okay guys, always remember, it is not fixed, it will vary according to the accordion content, according to the accordion height. Okay, always remember. Okay, so we will just see here, just copy this transition class from here. Okay, so just copy this transition class from here, and we will just paste here also inside our this class. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so okay, so okay, so just we have to define this class also, accordion content. Okay, so copy this from here, and above this just paste it here and close this, and we have to say here, give the padding. Okay, give the padding as a 0 px, and give max as of now, give the max height as a 0 px. Okay, so you can see here by default it will be hidden. Okay, so guys, the moment I will be giving here this accordion content max height of 0 px, it will be hidden. Okay, so guys, it will be hidden. Okay, so as of now, just comment this code. Okay, and just save your code and go to the browser and just refresh the page. Okay, so see, boom guys, the moment guys I have given here the accordion content. Okay, so you can see here this is the accordion content. You can see here item dot content. Okay, item dot content, and here we will be able to see the content. Previously we have seen the content also, but the moment I have given here this class accordion content, this CSS property max height equal to 0, okay, then all the content by default is hidden. Okay, see, by default all the content is hidden. See, so guys, max width, okay, this max width is the game changer. Okay, is the main what can I say, code here. Okay, so guys, this max height is the game changer. This is the main code here in this video, in this accordion functionality. Okay, always remember. Okay, so just uncomment this code. Okay, so yeah, so guys, I hope guys I have explained you. Okay, always remember guys, this max height is the game changer, is the main code here in this video, in this accordion. Okay, so guys, I showed you also. So as you can see, by default all the content is hidden. Only we are able to see the title, we are able to see the what can I say, header. Okay, so only let me just go to the, see, only this heading we are able to see content is hidden. Only title is shown, content is hidden. Only title is shown, content is hidden. Okay, only title is shown, content is hidden. Only title is shown, content is hidden. Only title is shown and the content is hidden. Okay, by the CSS property, this is the max height. Okay, this is the game changer. This is the main code here inside this accordion, inside this video. Okay, always remember this max guys, this I mean just put here max height, not width. Okay, so guys, this max height, okay, always remember guys, this max height is going to change according to the content, according to the height. Okay, it is not fixed, it is gonna vary, it is gonna change. Okay guys, always remember this max width and max height will change according to the content, according to the height. It is not fixed, it is not constant, it will vary, it will definitely change based on the content, based on the height. Okay, it is not fixed, it is not constant. Okay, it will change according to your content, according to your height of the accordion. Okay, so yeah, I hope I have explained you to the code. Okay, so I'll give here overflow as a hidden and just give the background color. I'll give here bisque. Okay, so I'll say here min height also. I'll use here min height of 0px also, and I'll just say here just give the transition, copy this transition from here. Okay, and just paste it out. Okay, so yeah, that's fine. So just save your code and go to the browser and just refresh the page. So see, boom guys, by default we will be able to see the first content open. Okay, by default the first content is open because we have given here is open is true. Okay, is open is true. So you can see here I have given the class also based on the item dot is open is, if this will return true, then this will apply this open class. If this will return false, then this will not apply this class. Okay, so let me just make it false also here also. So make it false. Yeah, so save your code and go to the browser and just refresh the page. So see, boom guys, you can see our code is working fine. Okay, so just make it true. Okay, so by default this first content will be hidden. And guys, I explained you many times that we are applying, okay, we are applying this div. Okay, this div which is the parent div. Okay, which is the parent div for the entire title, for the entire content. Okay, for the entire title, for the entire content, you can see here the title is also inside this div. Okay, and the content is also inside this div only. Okay, so guys, we have to put each and everything inside this for loop div only. Guys, always remember we have to put each and everything inside this for loop div only, which is the parent div, which is the parent container. You can see here the title is also inside this div and the content is also inside this div, and we are applying dynamic class. This open class is dynamic class. We are applying by using the vbind properties, vbind directive. We will say here colon class, and we will say equal to double quotes and open and closing braces. We will apply this open class based on this condition. Okay, based on this condition we will check item dot is open. If it is true, okay, if it is true, so as of now for the first element, okay, for the first element it is item is open is true. For the first element is open is true, so we will just apply this open class, okay, dynamically to this entire div, okay, to this entire div, okay, dynamically. Okay, so it will return true because it will return true because it is open is true as of now. Okay, is open is true as of now, so it will return true, and by default it will apply the open class to this item accordion item class. Okay, to this accordion item class. Okay, so for this for that only we are able to see the first item is open. Okay, first item is open and the rest item is closed. Okay, and the rest item is closed because you can see here for the rest item is open is false, is open is false, is see is open is false, is open is false. Okay, is open is false. Okay, so that's why guys, and for the first element is open is true, so that's why guys, for the first element, for the first item inside the array is open, item dot is open is true, item dot is open is true, so it will apply the open class dynamically to this accordion item class. Okay, to this accordion item class, so that's why we are able to see the first item is open. Okay, first item of this array is open and rest all, okay, rest all is false. Okay, you can see is open false, is open false, is open false, is open false, and is open false. So for the rest item, for the rest of the item, is open class will be not applied. Okay, because is item dot is open is gonna return here false, item dot is open is gonna return here false, so this will not apply this dynamic open class to this div for the rest of the element from the array. Okay, it will not apply this open class because item dot is open is false, so it will not apply this open class to this accordion item for the rest of the element. Okay, so that's why we are able to see all the element is closed and only one element is hidden. Okay, by default all the element is closed and the first element is shown. Okay, first element is open because it returns true, it returns false, it returns false, it returns false, it returns also false, and it returns also false. Okay, you can see it returns false, item dot is open, it will return false for the in other one. Okay, this is also is open false, is open false. Okay, is open false, is open false, is open false, and we are just checking the condition here only. Item, this item, okay, this item is open, if it is true it will apply the open class, if it is false it will apply, it will not apply the open class to this entire div. Okay, to this entire div. Okay, to this entire div. Okay, so that's why we are able to see only the first element is open and the rest of element is hidden by default. Okay, by default. So we will just show whenever a user is going to click on the heading, then we will just show the content. Okay, based on the heading he has clicked on currently. Okay, based on the Vue.js logic. Okay, based on the Vue.js logic. So yeah, I hope guys I have explained you, and we have defined here is open class. You can see here accordion item, we will apply the is open class and we will apply this accordion content. Okay, when, okay guys, when is open class is applied, okay, to this item accordion item, guys, when okay, this open class is applied to this accordion item. Okay guys, when this open class is applied to this accordion item, we will just say here, we will just apply the accordion content. Okay, we will just apply the accordion content, max height of 200 px and transition max height 0.8 second, ease in out. Okay, by default accordion content is hidden by the property max height. Okay, I already showed you, but let me just explain you one more time. By default the max the accordion content, okay, the accordion content, this content, okay, this content, this content, this content, this content, this content is hidden, Okay, because I have given here max height of 0 px, overflow is hidden, min height also 0 px. Okay, so by default it is hidden, and we will just apply condition one class conditionally based on this logic. Okay, item dot is open. If it is true, it will apply the open class. If it is false, it will not apply the open class. Suppose it has applied the open class for the first element. Suppose it has applied the open class to this dynamically. Okay, for the first element. Okay, then we will have here one more class, accordion item, and accordion item, and like this open. Okay, like this open. Okay, like this open. So now it will apply. Okay, so now it will apply this accordion content. This is here, so I'll say here max height of 2 px, I mean 200 px, and transition max height 0.8 second is in out. Okay, so just remove this class open, because we are applying this open class based on the condition, based on the logic. Okay, from here. Okay, from here is open, 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 and from here is open. Okay, so dynamically we will make this is open false or true. Okay, dynamically we will make this is open false or true whenever a user is going to click on this heading. Okay, and whenever the user is going to click on this heading. Okay, okay, so suppose he will click on the heading fourth element. Okay, so we will just go to the fourth element. Okay, so this is the fourth element. We will just set this is open to true. Okay, we will just set this is open to true. Okay, and it will apply this class open. Okay, it will apply this class open. Okay, and guys, suppose a user has clicked on the sixth element. Guys, suppose user has clicked currently on the sixth element. Okay, then what we will do, we will do is open, we will just make it to true. Okay, we will just make it to true. Okay, and then we will just apply. Okay, then we will just apply this open class to this div, because it will return true. Item not is open true. Okay, so guys, let me just make this false. Okay, let me just make this false and just go to the code and just refresh the page. Okay, so guys, as of now all the hidden, all the item is hidden. So guys, just go to the sixth element. Okay, just go to the sixth element. So this is the, you can see here, this is the sixth element, this is the last element, and make it true. Okay, so make is open to true, and go to the code and just refresh the page. Okay, so see, boom guys, you can see here this sixth element is open. Okay, so just go to the inspect. Okay, you will see here a new class is open. Okay, so you will see here a new class is open. So yeah, you can see here a new class is open, have been applied. You can see here guys, just go to this way. Okay, just go to, okay, no, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, it's working fine. So guys, you can see here, as of now the sixth element is open. You can see here, as of now the sixth element is open, and we will be able to see one more class is open on this accordion item. I have already showed you. Go to the code, see if you remember. Yeah, we will apply here accordion item, another class dynamically, which is open class, and we will apply this open class dynamically based on this condition, item dot is open. Okay, item dot is open, we will apply to this class accordion item. We will apply another class dynamically, which is open, I mean which is open. Okay, which is open class, and we are applying this class open to this accordion item dynamically based on this condition, item dot is open. This is the item, and dot is open is this, is open is this, is open is this. Okay, is open is this, this is the is open, this is the is open. As of now the sixth element is open is true. Okay, as of now the sixth element is open is true, so we are able to see the last element is open. Okay, last element is open, and you can see here one new class to this accordion item is open is applied. Okay, you can see here accordion item open is applied, a new class is applied to this sixth element. Okay, to this sixth element. So guys, the moment we will just make it false. Okay, the moment we will just make it false. Okay, and go to the browser, this open class will be removed. Okay, this open class, this extra class open class which we have applied dynamically based on this condition. Okay, based on this condition we are checking here, item not is open is true, we will apply the open class. Otherwise, if it is false, we will just not apply this open class. Okay, so as of now I have made this sixth element also is open false. Okay, so just go to the code and just refresh the page. So see, boom guys, everyone is hidden now, everything is hidden now. Okay, so just suppose guys user has clicked on the, suppose guys the user have has clicked on the third element. Okay, on the third element user has clicked. Okay, so we will set, okay, go to the third element, we will set is open to true. Okay, dynamically using the Vue.js script, right, within a moment. So as of now, just turn this open to true. Okay, just turn this is open to true. Okay, and now as you can see here, is open is true, is open is true for this third element guys. For this third element is open is true. So guys, so this item dot is open, it will return true, it will return true for the third element. For the third element guys, it will return true. Is item dot is open, it will return true because we have given here is open to true. Okay, so this condition, item dot is open will return true, and we will apply this open class dynamically to this accordion item. Okay, to this accordion item. So just save your code and go to the browser and now refresh the page. Okay, so see, boom guys, you can see here our third element. Okay, our third element is open by default. You can see one class also applied to this third element, which is open class, which we have applied dynamically, which we will apply dynamically based on the logic, based on the conditions. Okay, dynamically using Vue.js 3 code. See, it is open, third one is open, and see, you can see one extra class which is open. Okay, so make it false. Okay, so make it false. So guys, now make this second is open true. Okay, so make this second is open true. We will be able to see the second element open by default. Okay, and we will see here one class open to this second element also. Okay, so just refresh the page. So see, by default is open is true, second one is true, by default second one is true. See, you can see the one class also is open dynamically have been applied to this accordion item class. See, this open class here. Okay, see. Okay, so as of now, for the second element, this will come true. Item dot is open will come true because we have given here, see, this is the second element, and I have given here is open to true. So for the second item, this condition will come true. Item dot is open will come true. So we will apply the open class dynamically to this accordion item. Okay, to this accordion item, and we are saying here if on this accordion item, this open class is applied. Guys, we are saying here, if on this accordion item, guys, we are saying here if on this accordion item open class is applied. You can see here based on the conditions we are applying this open class on this accordion item. Based on the conditions we are applying this open class to this accordion item. So if it is so guys, if it is so, okay, so suppose here it has already applied open class. Okay, suppose open class is applied, guys, suppose open class is applied on this accordion item, then we will just set this accordion content, of max height of 200 px and transition of this, and by default we have given here accordion content of max height 0 px, overflow hidden, and mean height also 0px, but we are changing it. We are saying, here, accordion dot item class is open applied. On this accordion item class, open class is applied. We are applying here dynamically is open, item dot is open. If it is applied, if it is so, then we will just say here, this accordion content, we will set here max height of 200 px and transition of this. Okay, so then we will be able to see the content. Okay, so just remove this open class here. I gave you for the explanation. Okay, so guys, I hope guys I have explained you to the code. Okay guys, as you all know, my motto from every video, from every tutorials, just to give you the deep explanation, just to give you the deep overview, just to give you the deep details. Okay, so guys, this video have been created to cater the beginners, to cater the new learners in Vue.js 3. Okay, so guys, that's why guys I gave you so much of explanation to the deep, to the code. Okay, so guys, I hope guys you have understood that how our accordion is gonna work. Okay guys, I hope guys you have understood that how our accordion will work. Okay, so we have to make this second one as a false. Okay, and we have to make this so just save it now. Okay, so save it now, refresh the page, see, so everyone is hidden by default, because by default is open is false, is open is false, is open is false, is open is false for everyone. So that's why we are not able to apply this open class to this accordion item dynamically. We are not able to apply this open class to this accordion item dynamically. So this condition will be false, this condition will be false, because we are saying here, if accordion item has the class open class, we are saying here, if accordion item has the class open class, then we will set accordion content, then we will set the accordion content max height of 200 px, max height of 200 px. Previously we have given here max height of 0 px, overflow hidden, and min height also 0 px. If this conditions returns true, if this conditions return true guys, if this condition returns true, then we will just apply, okay, this condition accordion content we will set here max height of 200 px. Okay, so for this guys, for the first element, this condition, okay, for the first element guys, this condition will be true. Guys, always remember, for the first condition, for the first item from the array, this condition will be true. Okay, this condition will be true. So we will apply this logic, accordion content height of max height of 200 px, because we are gonna set here, is open to true, is open to true. So it will return, this condition will return true, item dot is open, this will return true. So we will apply this open class dynamically on this accordion item, we will apply this open class dynamically, because this item will return true, because this item or the condition will return true, and we will apply this open class to this accordion item dynamically, because we have given here is open to true for this first element of the array of the object. Okay, and it will return true. So we will say here accordion item has the open class, then we will set this accordion content of max height of 200 px, which we have given here previously, max height of 0 px, and overflow is hidden, and min height also 0 px. Okay, so guys, all the logic, okay guys, all the hard work lies here only. If guys you are able to understand this, if you are able to get this, okay, this logic and this logic, then you are able to make this kind of accordion very easily and very efficiently as well. Okay, so guys, just save your code, and as you can see here, for the first item is open is true, so this will return true, item dot is open will return true, and we will dynamically apply this open class to this accordion item. And you can see, when accordion item has the open class, we will apply this logic to this max height of 200 px to this accordion content, okay. So just save your code and go to the browser and just refresh the page. So see, okay, so see, yeah. So guys, now we have to apply this logic also. We have to apply this logic also by using the Vue.js code, okay. So we are going to apply this logic, guys. Suppose guys, whenever user is going to click on the any of the heading, then we will just open the content for them. See, this is the current so guys, the third one is open because user has clicked on the third element, third questions, okay. So open the fourth one. So see, see guys, at a time, okay. We are gonna just open the one element and rest all will be hidden. Always remember guys, at a time guys, okay guys, always remember at a time we will just only show the one content and rest all will be hidden, okay. So we have to apply this logic, we have to implement this logic into our code also, okay. So see, at a time only one accordion is open, only one item is open and rest all is hidden, okay. So see, okay. So see, so we are gonna apply this logic now. So guys, just be here and watch the entire video very carefully and very patiently, okay guys, because we are gonna write the logic to apply this logic, okay. At a time we will just open the one content and rest all content will be hidden, okay. So at a time only one element will be shown, okay. See, like here we are gonna implement the logic now, okay. So just go to the code and go to the JS code, okay. So guys, now whenever a user is going to click on this title, you can see here user has to click on the title. See, user has to click on this title, then only we will just open the accordion, okay. User has to click, guys, always remember, user has to click on this title, then only we will just open the accordion, then only we will just show the content for the user, okay. So he or she has to click on this title in order to open the content, in order to see the content, okay. So we will just apply the logic also in our code. So just go to the code and now we have to apply the logic also. So we are going to define here one very function also on this title, okay. So guys, on this title we are going to define here one logic also. So just on this div I'm gonna say here @click, okay, @click, and we will just define one method also. So I'll say here toggle, okay. Just give the toggle, okay. Just give the toggle and just we have to pass this index also, okay. So we have to pass this index also. So by passing this index, guys, we will be able to know that on which heading, on which title currently user has clicked, okay. So guys, by this index guys, okay guys, by this index, as you can see here, I am providing the index, okay. I am providing here the index to this v4 loop also. You can see here guys, I am providing here the index also to this v4 loop also, guys. So guys, by using this index, guys, always remember, by using this index, okay, by using this index we will be able to know that currently on which heading, on which title user has clicked, okay. So guys, always remember, by this index we will be able to know that on which heading, on which title currently user has clicked on, okay. So we will just provide this index to this toggle method. So we will just define this toggle method also. So copy this toggle method from here and just go down, and here below this we are going to create here one method also. So just go down below this return, I'm gonna create here one method also, okay. So I will say here methods, put colon and put open and closing braces, and we have to define the method also. So paste it here, and we will just pass here the index only. Okay, so we will just grab this index, guys. Okay, so we are just gonna grab this index. Okay, we are just gonna grab this this index. Okay, this index, so we will just pass it as a index only, as a parameter here to this function, to this function toggle. Okay, so we will define it now, this function. So just be here, guys, and watch the entire video. Okay, because we are gonna just implement the logic now. Okay, so guys, always let me just explain you one more time. So guys, whenever a user is going to click any of the heading, whenever, guys, the user has to, guys, in order to open the content, in order to see the content, user has to click on this heading. Okay, user has to click on this heading, like here in the example, user has to click on this heading, then only we will be able to show the content, then only we will be he or she will be able to see the content. Okay, so see, he or she has to click on this heading. Okay, on this title, he or she has to click in order to see the content of this accordion. Okay, of this accordion. Okay, so he or she has to click on this heading or the title in order to see the content of this accordion. Okay, so we will implement this logic also inside our code. So go here and go to the code again, and we will just say here, guys, we are just gonna use here for each. Okay, for each method also we will be using here for each loop also, to loop through all the item of this array. Okay, guys, we will just use here for each method to loop through all the items of this accordion items array. Okay, which is the array of object. We will use here we like for each method also to loop through this accordion item. Okay, so we are gonna use here, so just copy it from here, accordion item, and we will just go inside this toggle method or the function. It is only method here, so inside the Vue.js 3 we called it method. Okay, so we'll just say here, we will just say here this. Okay, this dot. Okay, guys, whenever I will say here this dot accordion items, I will be referring to this accordion items array of object. Okay, so as of now it contains 6 element. Always remember, guys, as of now it contains 6 element. See, this is the second element, this is the third element, this is the fourth element, this is the fifth element, and this is the sixth element. Okay, so guys, as of now this accordion item array of objects content 6 element. Okay, and it has the property title content is open. It has the properties title content is open on each and every element of this array of object. Okay, so just go down, and we will say here this dot accordion item. I'll say here dot for each. Okay, I will just loop through all the content. Okay, so I'll say here for each. So guys, whenever a user has whenever, guys, suppose user has clicked on any of the accordion item. Okay, user has clicked on any of the accordion item, then this for each loop will run for every element. Okay, then guys, this for each loop will run for every element. Okay, for this element, 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 no matter user has clicked on the first element, user has clicked on the second element, user has clicked on the third element, user has clicked on the fourth element, user has clicked on the fifth element, user has clicked on the sixth element. It will run for the entire array of object, for the entire item. Okay, it will run for the first element, it will run for the second element, it will run for the third element, it will run for the fourth element, it will run for the sixth element, it will run for the sixth element. Okay, it will run every time for the sixth element. Okay, every time user is click here on the first, on the second, on the third, on the fourth, on the fifth, on the sixth also. Okay, no matter, it will run for the entire array. Okay, it will run for the entire array, and it will check. Okay, if the condition is met, if the condition is met. Okay, if the condition is met, it will set to true. If the condition is not met, it will set to false. Okay, and we won't be able to see the accordion. Okay, like here, see, condition is met, so this is open. See, condition is met, so this is open. Click here, so condition is met, that the second one is closed. Okay, so as of now the sixth one is open. click on the first one. So see here condition is met, so it is hidden, the sixth one is hidden. Click on third, so as of now the one is open, so click on third. So see here the condition is met, so the first one is hidden. Click on fifth. So see condition is met here, so the third one is hidden. Okay, so guys, likewise we will implement the logic. Okay, so as of now the first one is open, so open the fourth one. So see condition is met, so we will hide the first one. Okay, so guys, we will just check on which element user has clicked right now. Okay guys, we will just check here on which element the user has clicked right now. Based on the condition we will just show it, and the rest one and rest all we will just hide it. Okay, so that's why we have used here the index. Okay, that's why guys we have used here the index, and here also we are just providing this index. Okay, this index from this v4 loop. Okay, you can see here on this v4 loop we are also providing here index. Okay, and we are just providing this index only, to this click method, which is toggle. We are just providing here the index also. We will check here by this index, guys. We will check here currently on which element user has clicked. Okay guys, by this index only they are gonna check that currently on which element user has clicked. Okay, so just define this method now, and go here and go down, and just we will just pass here. Okay, as you all know, this for each method is gonna take here the one necessary parameter, which is the element. Okay, so we will pass here the index also. So I'll say here item and put comma, and I'll just pass here the I. Okay, just pass here the I as an index, and we are gonna use here the fat arrow function. So I'll say here this and open and close this. Okay, so close this. Okay, so now just put here comma, and they just put here comma also. Okay, so guys, now this for each will take the one necessary parameter, which is the element. Okay, which is the element. This is the necessary parameter, this index is optional parameter. Okay, so we will just provide here also index also, just to match this index and this index. Okay, just to match the provided index with the current index. Okay, this guys, this is the provided index. Guys, this is the index given by the user. Okay, when the user has clicked on the heading. Okay, so guys, this is the provided index. Guys, always remember, this is the provided index. Okay, and this is the current index. Okay guys, this index is the provided index, and this is the current index. Okay guys, okay, so we will just check here based on this index, based on this index. Okay, so if this index and this index matched, then we will just show the content, otherwise we will just hide the content. Okay guys, if this index and this index is matched, okay, this is the provided index, this is the index given by the user, and this is the current index. Okay, of this loop. Okay, of this loop. Okay, on which we are currently iterating. Okay, on which we are currently iterating. Okay, so based on this logic, guys, we will just write our JavaScript code on this okay, on this for each method. Okay, so I hope guys you are getting me what I am trying to say you. Okay, so okay guys, I hope guys you are getting me what I'm trying to say you. So now we will just check here, we will just use here if condition, if else condition. Okay, to check the provided index with the current index. Okay, this is the provided index and this is the current index. This index comes from the heading. Okay, this index comes from this heading. Okay, this heading, this heading, this heading, and this heading. Okay guys, this index, okay, this index is gonna come from this heading, this title heading, this title heading, this title heading. Okay, this title heading, and this I index is the current index. Okay, is the current index of this loop, of this array of object. Okay, of this array of object. Okay, of this for each method. Okay, so we will just say here if, okay, if this current index, okay, this current index is equal to the provided index. Okay, this is the provided index by the user on which currently he has clicked, on which currently he has clicked. Okay, so if this matches, okay, if this matches, okay, if this matches, then we will just say here item, this item which is the item from this, okay, which is the item from this, okay, from, okay, from this array of object, okay, from this array of object, okay, from this array of object. Okay, so we will say here item dot, okay, item dot is open, okay, this is open, this is open, this is open, this is open, and this is open. Okay, we will just set it to true or the false, true or the false. Okay, so just copy it, is open from here, and we will just say here item, okay, this item, okay, this item which is the current item, okay, which is the current item from this array of object, okay, which is the current item from this array of object. Okay guys, which is the current item from this array of object, okay, from this array of object, based on this condition, based on this logic. Okay, so we will say here item dot is open equal to we will say here item negation of item, okay, negation of item dot is open, okay, is open to toggle the element. Okay, as you all know guys, as you all know, in the Vue.js it is totally logic, it is totally implementable. Okay, we will say here we can do this just to toggle the things. Okay, we are doing this just to toggle the things. If it is shown, we will hide it. If it is hidden, we will just show it. Okay, in this way we can toggle this by using this line. If it is hidden, we will just show it. If it is shown, we will just hide it by using this line. Okay, this is known as the toggle in Vue.js. Okay, this is known as the toggle in Vue.js. Else, we will say else, we will just say else item dot is open to false, item dot is open to false, simple. Okay, item dot is open to equal to, we will just set again it to false. Okay, so just close this, we will just set this again to false. So just save your code and go to the browser and refresh your page. Okay, so guys, now click on the any element. So see, boom guys, our code works. See guys, you can see here our code is working fine and fantastic. So see, as of now it is open, so this is the minus, so open this, so this is closed, this is a minus. Now open the last one. So see, at a time we have to show the only one element, and we have achieved our target, we have achieved our goal of this video also. Okay, see, it is working fine and fantastic. See guys, see, it is working cool and fine, no issue at all. Okay, so we have to apply the class also. You can see currently it is green, okay, I mean yellow. Okay, so currently it is yellow, currently the open element 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 is yellow. Okay, so we have to apply this logic also here also, and we have to change the this text also dynamically. Okay, go to the example. See why everyone loves Vue.js so much. You can see here the same question, the same heading also. Click on the fourth. See what is Vue.js 3, can I learn Vue.js 3? You can see here what is Vue.js 3, can I learn Vue.js 3? Click on the first element. See, this is the question here also, this is the question here also. Click second. See, this is the same and this is the same. Click on third. So see, this is the same and this is the same also. Click on fourth. So see, this is the same and this is the same also. Okay, so we have to apply the logic. This is the first logic and this is the second logic. Okay, so we have to apply the here also in our code. So just only two logic are remaining. So see, it is working fine and fantastic. See guys, boom guys, our code works fine. Okay, no issue at all. Okay, so just make the background color yellow and just change this text to dynamically like this example. Okay, so we are gonna do this guys now. So we will just say here guys, just copy this header class or the variable from here. This is the variable, not the class. Okay, so sorry guys, So I'll say here inside this toggle method, I'll say here this dot header, okay, and not header, by header we will say here this dot, okay, this dot, okay, this accordion item, this dot this accordion item. So copy it and we'll say here this dot header, okay, this dot header equal to, we will say equal to, we will say here this, okay, this dot, okay, this dot, this dot, this accordion items, okay, accordion items, okay, we will just pass here this index, okay, this index we will just pass here, okay, and we will just change the title, okay. So this is the title, this is the title, this is the title, this is the title, this is the title. So copy anyone from here and we will say here dot this title, okay, simple. So see guys, we are just assigning, okay, we are just assigning the title, okay, title, this title, this title, this title, okay, this title, I mean this title, this title, and this title based on the index, based on the index provided by the user on which currently he or she has clicked, based on the index provided by the user on which heading he or she has clicked, okay. So suppose, go to the code, suppose guys he has clicked on the first element, okay, so the heading will be this heading and it has the index 0. So we will just change this dynamic and beautiful accordions in Vue.js3 with this text can props be passed from child component to parent component, and suppose he or she has clicked on the fourth element. What is Vue.js3? Can I learn Vue.js3? So this is the 0 element, this is the first element, this is the second element, and this is the third element, okay. So the index will be third here, so the index will be third here, so we will just change this to third, this dynamic and beautiful accordions in Vue.js3 with this title or with this heading, okay. What is Vue.js3? Can I learn Vue.js3? With likewise similarly for all the index, okay, for all the index we will just change this text to heading, okay, with the heading or to the headings, okay, provided by the user based on the index he or she has clicked on, okay. So this is the logic, okay, this is the logic guys. So just go here and we have already assigned it. We are just saying here this dot accordion items, okay, this accordion items, and we will just pass the index, we will just pass the, so this is the 0 index, this is the second index, I mean this is the 0 index, this is the third second index, I mean first index, this is the second index, this is the third index, this is the fourth index, and this is the fifth index, and we are just setting the title, this is the title, this is the title, and this is the title, and this is the title, and this is the title. We will just say here we are just assigning this dot header equal to this dot accordion title. We will pass this index as a, and we will say here dot title, okay, dot title, okay. So just save your code and go to the browser and just refresh the page, okay. So guys, now just click any of the title, see, boom guys, our code works. See, we are able to change the heading also of the accordion, of the header also. See the fifth one is open. What is AngularJS? Can I learn AngularJS? You can see here the fifth one. What is AngularJS? Can I learn AngularJS? Click on the sixth one. See why everyone loves Vue.js so much. See why everyone loves Vue.js so much. Click on the first element. See can props be passed from child component to parent component. See here also can props be passed from child components to parent component. Click on second one. See, this is the second one heading, and this is the second one heading. See, this is the third one, this is the third one also. Click on fourth, this is the fourth one, and this is the fourth one also. Click on fifth, so this is the fifth one, this is the fifth one. Click on the sixth one, so this is the sixth one, this is the sixth one, okay. So guys, now we have to implement the last logic, which is to change the background on the clicked item. We have to change the background color on the clicked item. Okay, so just go down, go to the code, and we have to apply the class also to this header. Okay, so to this title also we will apply this dynamic class also to this title class. Okay, so guys, and now we're just gonna do that. Okay, so we will just apply this uh, okay, header open class. So we will just define it, header open class. Sorry guys, so we just define it, header open class. So just go down and we will just define it, header open class. Okay, so we will just apply this header open class. So just copy this and we will just remove the content. Okay, rest all things are same. Okay, so just we don't require here max height. Okay, so I'll just change this to header open class. So just go here and copy this class accordion header. Okay, copy this class and just replace this. Okay, just replace this and we will just apply one dynamic class. We will say here header hyphen open. Okay, so we will just say here the background, okay, color of hash f, okay, f0 dd, okay, and 3 8. Okay, and we will just say here padding of 10 px and we will just give here cursor to pointer. Okay, so guys, now we have to apply this header open class. Okay, we have to apply this header open class on this accordion header. On this accordion header, you can see here this is the accordion header. Okay, so this is the accordion header. We have to apply this header open class dynamically on this accordion header class. Okay, based on the logic. Okay, based on the logic. So we are going to do that now. So based on the logic, so we will just say here we will just apply dynamic class like this. Okay, like this. So just copy it from here. Okay, so copy it from here and just paste it here and we will just say here this class. Okay, this header open class. So copy it from here and copy it from here and just replace this open class, just not this one, yeah, this one only. So okay, so we will just, yeah, so we will just replace this with this header open class if item dot is open. Okay, if item dot is open. So this is the same logic. Okay, this is the same logic. Okay, this is the same logic. Okay, so we will just apply this header open class dynamically based on the item dot is open, true or false. Okay, if this is true, then we will apply the header class, header open class. Okay, if this logic returns false, if this logic returns false, then we will just remove this class, header open class. Okay, so save your code and go to the browser and just refresh the page. Okay, so see, boom guys, see our code works. Guys, you can see here, see, boom guys, see. Okay, so our code is working fine and fantastic also, no issue at all. See guys, so this is the our code. Okay, this is the our code and this is the example. Okay, this is the example. See, it is also working fine and this is our code. Okay, see, okay, and we are also able to change the text also here. So pay attention here. See, text is changed. Click second one. See, the text is changed and the background color is also changed. Click third one. Text is changed click fourth one, the text is changed. Click fifth one, see the text is changed and the background color also changes. Click the fifth one, the text is changes and the background color also changes. Okay, so guys, we have achieved our all the feature, all the functionality from this video, from this session. Okay, so you can see here, see. So yeah, so as of now guys, this is not I guess responsive, so we have to make it responsive also. So guys, I am leaving on this on you, although I will paste here this is a CSS file also. So I will paste here the CSS file also from the example only, and I will explain you also. So just go to the example and just okay, just copy guys. Okay, so as you can see here, I am using here the media query only to make it responsive. Okay, as you can see here, I am using the media query just to make it responsive. Okay, so just paste here inside our style sheet. It is nothing. Okay, we are just changing the height of the max height. Okay guys, always remember, we are just changing the max height of this class. Okay, we will just use this class. Okay, this class, and we will just change the max height. Okay, you can see I have changed the max height from 200 to 310, and from 310 to 310 for the mobile device. Okay, for the mobile device, see, I have just used this single class. Accordion item is open, accordion content, and max height 310, max height of 310. So this is the media query. I am using it for the sake of responsiveness, for the sake of for the sake of responsiveness only. So just save your code and go to the browser and now refresh the page. So see, now it works. Everything is responsive now. See, everything is responsive and everything is working fine and fantastic as well. Okay, so guys, we have achieved our goal of this video, of this session. Okay, see, it is working fine and fantastic, no issue at all. Everything is working cool and smooth. Okay, see, okay, no issue. So guys, we have achieved our target guys, we have achieved our goal also of this video. Okay, so guys, I hope guys I have explained you to the code, to the deep. Okay, that how to create this kind of dynamic and beautiful accordion using HTML, CSS, and Vue.js 3 guys. Okay, and guys, I hope guys I have explained you the logic. Okay, also to the deep, to the code. Okay, so guys, if you still have any doubt, any query regarding this video, regarding this session guys, then guys, please do let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so guys, I hope guys we have come to the end of this video, end of this session. So guys, just do let me know guys, how do you feel about my videos, about my session. Okay, whether I should whether I am speaking too fast, whether my voice is not clear, whether I should make my videos in Hindi only, or whether I should continue making my videos in English only. Okay, so guys, as you all know, today my voice is little down, my voice is little disturbed today. So guys, I hope guys you will be able to get these videos, you will be able to get the logic, the concept. Okay, so guys, still you have any doubt, any query, you can ask me in the comment section below. I will try to resolve it, I will try to address it. Okay, so guys, please guys, if you have if you feel you have learned something from this video, from this session, then please guys do subscribe to the channel Code with ER, and please guys press the bell icon also, so that whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist, you can be notified and you can watch them instantly and you can learn from them also. Okay, please guys, like all my videos, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation. Okay, and please guys, support me. I need your help, I need your support, and the only way you can support me and the only way you can help me is by subscribing to my YouTube channel Code with ER. Okay, so please guys, support me, please help me. Okay, so I hope guys we have come to the end of this video and with this end of this session. So see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.